So earlier this year, I was in the market to pick up a new camera for my business, and I wanted it to be a camera that I could use for some photography and for doing truck stuff like this and blogging and things like that. And the Sony A7S III finally came back in stock, and I moved on it, and I'm really happy I did. It's been a great camera for doing commercial work, which I do for a living, and I've had nothing but joy using it. Now, there are lots of videos out there on whether or not the Sony A7S III is a good camera for still photography. If you're interested in learning more about that, go ahead and search those out. I'm not going to talk about those at all today. I'm just going to go out and play with my camera because I haven't done a lot of still photography with it yet. So I'm going to go capture some back roads that are in between Stillwater and Osceola, Wisconsin, and hopefully I get some good stuff. So when I ordered the camera, it came with the f2.8 70 by 200 lens. It's the first generation lens, and it was a good price. It's not as light as the second one that came out here, but I really wanted something that could give me good bokeh if I'm doing interviews, and that lens is just doing the trick. And I'm going to take it out today and see how well it does shooting some stills of some back roads. One thing I know I also needed was a good wide lens, so I picked a Tamron 17 by 28 f2.8 lens. It's very wide, and that is great for shooting, you know, those wide shots I need of car lots and showrooms and things like that. And it does really well out in scenic areas too. So I'm really happy with that lens, and I'm going to use that one today too. So today I was hoping that we'd have some more sun, but it's pretty overcast today, and that's going to cause the shadows to be very flat. But I'm still thinking I'm going to get some good photos. I'm shooting on a manual setting, and there is no color profile on the camera. So the pictures that you're seeing I put in Lightroom, and I've played with them a little bit to help bring out the vibrance and just give them that little boost that they need. So the area that I'm driving in is just west of Highway 95, which runs between Stillwater and Taylor's Falls. I run this a lot when I had the motorcycle, and it was always a great day, and it was literally probably the best short day drive I could do in the fall if I wanted to see colors. It's just a fantastic route. You know, I've said it in other videos and I'll say it again. There's just something absolutely wonderful about a road that has a canopy of trees. It's just relaxing, and I could do it for thousands of miles. It's just a fantastic way to drive. I'm headed to Scandia, and there's a old Scandinavian farm that I'm going to go check out, and we'll see what kind of photos we can get there. Well, I'm going to head north here out of Scandia, and I'm going to go ahead and cross over the river into Osceola, Wisconsin. Well, overall, I think I really like this camera a lot. In fact, I know I like this camera a lot. It does really well with photography, but I do have an issue in terms of lenses. I'm short a lens. I'm missing like a 35 to 70 lens. The 17 to 28 is great for wide stuff, but it just doesn't get close enough. And then the 70 by 200 is great for getting those really shallow focus shots. But that middle range is really what I need. So I'm probably gonna have to invest in a 35 to 70 lens at some point, and that'll step up my video as well as my photography. Again, thanks for watching. It's an odd video, not like normal. And if you have any tips on photography, please leave them below. That would help me out. Please don't be too harsh on my photos. I'm learning as I go, and I guess that's how you get better. So I appreciate that. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. A subscribe would be great too. And I'll get back to some more exploring type videos here in a little bit. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys down the road. Take it easy.